Hello everyone, I am Subbaraju Sir from Coding Masters. Are you thinking about starting a career in data science? If yes, then this video will help you understand the most important skills you need to become a successful data science professional. The first and most essential skill is Python programming. Python is widely used for data analysis, automation, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Learning Python gives you a strong foundation for your data science journey. The next important skill is SQL. Every organization stores data in databases, and SQL helps you retrieve, manage, and analyze the data efficiently. You will also learn statistics, which is the backbone of data science. It helps you understand patterns, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Another valuable skill is data visualization using industry-leading tools like Power BI and Tableau. These tools help you transform complex data into interactive dashboards and meaningful reports. The course also introduces you to machine learning, where you will learn how to build predictive models using real-world datasets. Along with that, you will explore artificial intelligence, deep learning, and work on practical projects that improve your hands-on experience. By mastering these skills, you will be better prepared for real-world data science roles and industry requirements. If you would like to know the complete curriculum, training methodology, and placement support, attend our free demo session. You will get all the details and can make an informed decision. I am Subbaraju Sir from Coding Masters. Thank you for watching.